Well, got this specialised stump jumper. Yeah, I've been at the auctions again. It's got the RockShox SIDS on the front. It's got Hayes Stroker Trail brakes with the best cable route you ever did see. It's got that going on. We have an XTR rear derailleur on the back. That's a 9-speed XTR. It's got Mavic wheels. The rear one, the spokes are somewhat tight. XT, they're laced onto XT hubs with Continental vertical tyres. Pretty old school. Bit of perishing going on, but you know, they're still good. Frame, specialised M4 frame, designed on Sun Microsystems back when that was a thing, before they were bought by Oracle. Made in the United States of America. Not anymore, they're not, and they charge a lot more for the privilege as well. Yeah, Chinese made bike, but it cost as much as the top of the line American made stuff did back in the day, if not more. Well, no, it is more, there's no disputing it. XT 9-speed on here, Mega 9 technology, woohoo. Like I said, we've got the air forks on the front with a whopping, I want to say 80mm of travel, but it doesn't look like 80mm. It might even be 65. Yeah, I reckon there's 65mm travel. Don't know off the top of my head. Has a punch on the front. Spokes on the front are just a little bit loose. But yeah, specialised M4 stump jumper. Pretty cool bike back in the day. Thank you for watching.